Hello children, so we are back with the videos on sequences. This is 6th type questions from our website examprep.world. Okay, in this type of questions I have selected some questions where you don't have any particular identifying rule whether it is arithmetic or geometric. Right? Arithmetic sequence have a common difference and geometric sequence have a common ratio. You see in these kind of questions, right, I am taking you to the question directly. In these kind of questions we don't find any particular trend like that. How do we identify? So by looking at the sequence only we have to identify what trend it is. Can you try to identify what kind of trend it is? See, I am able to see some trend here. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8, correct? Then 8 plus 11 is how much? 19, right? So I see that there is definitely a trend. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 11 is 19. So what I should do? Find U3 and S3. U3 is very simple. Which is the third term? Is 8. U3 is 8 and S3 is very simple. You can add them. 8 plus 8, 16. So part 1 job is done. But here U6 we need, here already we have 5 terms, we need the 6th term. What should be the 6th term? Use this method. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 11 is 19. Then 11 plus 19 should be equal to 30. Correct? So we are able to identify that term. Now we have the 5th term. Okay. This 6th term, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th term. So U6 is 30. See, did we apply any kind of rule of arithmetic or geometric sequence? We didn't. But we could see the trend and identify the 6th term. Now since you have U6 is 30, then S6 means sum of all the 6 terms. So we already have up to 3rd term which is 16. Then you add 19 plus 11 which is again 30, 30 plus 30, 60 and 60 plus 16 which is 76. Correct? So our term becomes, the sum of first 6 terms becomes 76. Okay? There is no particular formula for doing this kind of sequence because we are trying to find some relation and trying to do those questions. Okay? I hope you got it. Can we go to the next question? See, if you are having some doubt, you can always pause, rewind and see. So it helps you. Okay? Let us see this question. Look at this question. I always suggest first try to understand what the question is trying to ask you, analyze it and then try to figure out the answer. Okay? Here, find the first 4 terms and S4. They have given a general rule A. They say that UN is 2 times n plus 3. Then what should be the first term? U1 will be 2 times 1 plus 3 which is 5. Correct? You just apply the general rule, you get your term. Then U2, apply to 2 times 2 plus 3 which is 7. U3 is 2 times 3 plus 3, 9. So what kind of sequence it is? Arithmetic sequence. Now first U4 is 2 times 4 plus 3 which is 11. Now you can also use find formula to find S4, but because these are 4 terms, it is faster to just to add them like that. 11 plus 9 is 20, 27 and 32. So our first answer is, we first found the terms and this is S4 is 32. Job done. So you can always use formula for sum of arithmetic sequence, but it is only 4 terms. It is faster just to add them together because you already found 4 terms, right? Okay. Now let's try and do B. Okay. In B, they are given UN is n square minus 6, right? So start doing this question. What is U1? 1 square minus 6, 1 which is negative 5. U2 is 2 square minus 6, negative 2. U3 is 3 square minus 6, which is 3. U4 is 4 square minus 6, which is 10. Am I right? So now just you have to add all these terms because they are asking you to find sum of first 4 terms. Add them. 13 minus 7, 6. 10 plus 3, 13, and minus 7 is 6. So let's do part C. Okay. So I'll erase this. I'm pausing. You pause the video and copy this. I hope you have done it. So let me erase this one and do the balance 2 questions here. Okay. We have C. Un is 7 times 2 to power n minus 1. Therefore, u1 will be 7 into 2 to power 1 minus 1. 2 to power 0 is 1. 1 into 7 is 7. Okay. 1 times 7 is 7. u2 is 7 into 2 to power 2 minus 1, which is 7 times 2, which is 14. u3, 7 times 2 to power 3 minus 1. 2 square, 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. That means 2 square is 4. 7 times 4 is 28. u4, 7 times 2 to power 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 2 cube, which is 8. 8 into 7 is 56. Okay. So see, it is doubling up. What sequence you got? It's a geometric sequence. Now you just have to add them. Adding them straight away like this is faster than rather doing the formula, right? Because there are only 4 terms. If they asked you like add 15 terms, 30 terms, then use formula. Otherwise, you straight away add them. It's very easy. Okay. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 19 plus 6, 25. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 205. Is my answer right? No. Okay. Now let's add them. Let's add them. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 5, 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 and 10. Right? 2, 3, 5, 10. 105. The sum of first of 4 terms S4 is how much? 105. So I hope you can do these kind of questions. Okay. Even D is similar. You can just do that one. Okay. So can we move on to the next questions? Okay. Here it looks difficult, but it is not. Take my word. Okay. Let's see. They have given the general term is 1 upon n by n plus 1. The general term they have given. And they are asking us to find values of S1, S2, S3 and S4. So S1 is the first term itself because one term added, the sequence has only one term and only one term is U1. So S1 is always equal to U1. So let's find U1 first. Because they are asking us up to S4, we will find sum of, for all the terms, we will find all the terms U1, U2, U3 and U4. Once we do this, our job becomes very easy. So U1 is 1 upon 1 into 1 plus 1, isn't it? Which is 1 upon 2. U2 is 1 upon 2 plus 1, correct? 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 6, which is 1 upon 6. U3 is 1 upon 3 into 3 plus 1, 12, 1 upon 12. U4 is 1 upon 4 into 4 plus 1, 5, 4, 20. So these are our first 4 terms. Okay. Once you have 4 terms, now we will find S1. S1 is the first term itself, so it is just 1 by 2, correct? Now S2. S2 means this plus this, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, which is 6 plus 2, 8 by 12, or you can write 4, 2, 4, 3, so it is 2 upon 3. S3 will be 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 12, 2 upon 3 plus, because 2 upon 3 is already here, and you have to add u3, which is 1 upon 12. What is the LCM? 12, 3 4 times, 8 plus 1, 9 over 12, 3 3 times, 3 4 times. You are seeing some trend here. It was 1 upon 2, 2 became, went to the numerator, 3 came down, then 3 came to numerator, 4 came down. So without even doing anything, I can straight away tell S4 will be 4 upon 5. This 4 goes to numerator, the next number comes down. If you add 3 upon 4 with 1 by 20, you will obviously get 4 upon 5. Check for yourself. Okay. Now look at this one. 1 by 1 upon 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Isn't it the same terms? So what is this term? This is S100. Oh, sorry, U100. The last term is U100, isn't it? These are the same thing which we got, right? 2 into 3, 3 into 4. Look, 2 into 3, second term. First term is 1 into 2. These are the same terms. Basically, same terms have been written in detailed fashion here. So these are the same terms, and they are asking us value sum of, because this is addition, sum of 100 terms. S4 was what? 4 upon 5. So S100, I'll write here because we are doing sums here. Okay. Now let me do it for you. So I will write S100 will be what? See, it is S4, so numerator is 4. So it will be 100 upon, what is the number after 100? It is 101. So this is the answer for part B. Okay, understood? So it was very easy. So with this, we come to end of these type of questions where we are finding the terms and the sum of the terms for sequences which do not follow any kind of fixed rule of arithmetic or geometric or Fibonacci, right? So I hope you have understood. Re-see the videos again and again to understand them, and write it on your notebook as notes. That will help you a lot. Thank you.